I wanted to update you on what's been going on in immigration in the last 4 weeks or so. A lot's been happening. As you may have already heard, the Supreme Court did uphold DACA, which is benefits dreamers and allows them to live and work in the U.S. So that's the good news. Unfortunately, in the last week or so, the government said that they will reject any new DACA applications. However, there's lots of litigation going on, and it still remains to be seen whether DACA will continue. We will keep you updated. The second bit of news that you should know about is the Federal District Court did knock down the public charge rule. The public charge rule applies to most applications, and in particular green card application, and is essentially a wealth test. It requires all applicants to show that they will not become a public charge in the US, and that requires showing a significant amount of assets, income, skills, education, and things like that to show that they will be able to support themselves independently in the US. So the good news is the Federal District Court did knock it down. It is nationwide. So that means if you're applying for a green card or other type of benefit, you do not need to show this extra income or assets, or you do not need to follow the public charge rule. So that's good news. If you're interested or thinking about applying for a green card, you should do it as soon as possible, because right now that rule does not apply. Finally, it was also ruled that F1 students can remain in the US even though all of their classes may be held online. As you may have heard, the government stated that international students would have to return to their home countries if their classes were held entirely online. Thankfully, that was knocked down, so F1 students can remain in the US. The other bit of news that came out, which was expected, is that filing fees are going up. They're going up by about 20%. However, this will not be effective until October 2nd. So if you're thinking about applying for any type of immigration benefit, if you're thinking of a green card application or anything similar, you can save on those filing fees, on those increased filing fees, if you file by or before October 2nd. Please stay tuned. We will keep you updated as there's many things happening in immigration. Thank you, and stay safe.